Hello students, welcome to the online classes of your school. In our previous video we discussed about the identities of chapter 9. Today we will do some questions related to it. Okay, so these are the identities we discussed about. Now question is, show that 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4n whole square plus 2mn is equals to 16 by n m square plus n by 16 n square. Okay, it means this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Okay, so what we will do, we will start solving from the left hand side and then get the answer, and we will check if the answer is equals to right hand side or not. Okay, so this is our left hand side, we will start solving it. Here this is 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4n whole square. It means what is the identity we will use here? Suppose this is a and this is b. So what is the identity here? A minus b whole square. So this will be the identity we will be using here. A minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so here this is the question. Now for this part we will use this identity. So we have to put a square. So 4 by 3m is a. So 4 by 3m whole square will be a square. Then plus b square. B is 3 by 4n. So 3 by 4n whole square will be b square. And then minus 2ab. So minus 2 into a is 4 by 3m and b is equals to 3 by 4n. Okay, and plus 2mn will be as it is with this expression. Okay, now we will solve 4 by 3m square. What will be the answer? 4 4 is 16 and 3 3 is 9 and m square will be m square. So 16 by 9 m square. Then 3 by 4 n square. So square of 3 is 9 by 4, square of 4 is 16 and it is n square. Now here we will solve. It is 2 into 3 by 4m into 3 by 4n. So 4 and 4 will be cancelled out and 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. So what is left? Minus 2mn. So we will write here minus 2mn by solving this, and plus 2mn is as it is with the expression. So plus 2mn is here. Now if we check in this expression, what are the like terms? Minus 2mn plus 2mn. So we can cancel them out. Minus 2mn plus 2mn. So what is left? 16 by 9m square plus 9 by 16n square. And if we see, this is equals to right hand side here. This was our question. We have to prove that this expression is equals to 16 by 9m square plus 9 by 16n square. So we got this at the end. It means this answer is equals to right hand side. So this proved our question. Okay. Now next question is, in the next question, first part is 71 square. We have to solve this. So here 70 plus, we can write 71 as 70 plus 1, and as here it is square, so 70 plus 1 whole square. Okay, so to solve this, what we will use? We will use a plus b whole square, and what is this? First one identity, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, and what is a here? A is 70 and b is 1, and we will apply first identity and solve this part. Now second part is 99 square. So we can write 99 as 100 minus 1. Okay, here it is 99 square. So what we will write? 100 minus 1 whole square. Okay, so here what we will do? We will consider 100 as a and 1 as b. So what is the identity here? A minus b whole square. That is the second identity. So a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So by applying second identity we can solve this. Okay, now third part is 297 into 303. We have to solve this. Now we can write 297 as 300 minus 3, because 300 minus 3 will give us 297. Here we can write 303 as 300 plus 3. Okay, so now what we get? We get that here it is 300, 300. It is 3 and 3. The only difference in these two are it is minus and it is positive. Okay, so what is the identity here? Suppose 300 is a here, 300 is a, and this 3 is b. In this also 300 is A and this 3 is B. So what is the identity here? A minus B, A plus B. So this is the third one identity. So what is the answer for this? A plus B, A minus B is equals to A square minus B square. So we will solve using third identity, A minus B, A plus B is equals to A square minus B square. We will apply it here. Now what is A? A is 300, so 300 square. Then minus what is B? B is 3, so 3 square. Here 300 square will be 90,000 as 3 3s is 9, and this is 100, 100 and 200 will give us 10,000, so it will become 90,000. Okay, and here 3 square is 9, and when we subtract 9 from 90,000 we will get 89,991. So this is our answer for third part. Now fourth part is 12.1 square minus 7.9 square. In this, students, we have to apply this identity. A square minus B square is equals to A plus B, A minus B. Means reverse of our third identity. So here these are A square minus B square. What we have to do? We have to apply A plus B, A minus B. So what is A here? 12.1 is A here and 7.9 is B here. Okay. So we will apply A plus B. A is 12.1. So 12.1 plus B is 7.9. 12.1 plus 7.9. Now A minus B, A is 12.1 minus and B is 7.9. Okay. Now we will solve it. Here 12.1 plus 7.9 is giving us 20.0, means we can write 20 here. Here 12.1 minus 7.9, what will be the answer? 4.2. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply 20 with 4.2. We are getting 84.0, or we can simply write 84. So this is our answer for fourth part. Now last one is 103 into 98. Here we will use our fourth identity. Why? If you will check in this, 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. 98 can be written as 100 minus 2. Okay. So if we check here, this 100 and 100 is same in both the expressions. But here it is positive 3. But here in the next one it is minus 2. It means what is the identity using here? X plus A, X plus B. Because X and X are same in these two. But here it is A and here it is another value which we counted as B. Okay, so X is 100, here A is 3 and B is minus 2, and we will apply our fourth identity for this. X plus A, X plus B is equals to X square plus A plus B, X plus AB. Okay, now we will apply it. Here X square we have to put, so what is X? X is 100 here, so we will put 100 square. Plus here it is A plus B, so A is 3 and B is minus 2, so here it will be 3 minus 2, because plus minus will give us minus, so 3 minus 2 into X. What is X here? 100, so into 100 plus AB. What are A and B? A is 3 into B is minus 2. Okay, we have substituted the values of X, A and B. Now we will solve them. 100 square will be equals to 10,000. Here 3 minus 2 will give us 1, and 1 into 100 will give us 100. Here 3 into minus 2 will give us minus 6, because 3 2s are 6, and here with both these terms only one negative sign is here, so we will put minus sign for the multiplication. So here after solving this, what we will do? We will add and subtract. Here 10,000 plus 100 will give us 10,100, and minus 6, what we will get? We will get 10,094. So this is our answer for our fifth part. So students, by this you can complete your chapter. Hope to see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.